is the continuation part of data representation chapter. In the previous class, we were discussed about the conversion of binary number to octal number. So, octal number is also called as 4 to 1 method because the values lies between 0 to 7. So, 4 to 1 is nothing but 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 7. So, the values comes under octal number system are 0 to 7. So in this class, let us discuss with the conversion of binary number system to hexadecimal number system. So before going to that, hexadecimal number system is nothing but it consists of 0 to 15 numbers. So and the base value of hexadecimal is 16. So we will write 0 to 9 numbers as it is. So 10 should be written in the form of A, 11 as B, 12 as C, 13 as D, 14 as E and 15 as F. Yes. So we already know that the octal number is also called as 4 to 1 method and hexadecimal is also called as 8 4 to 1 method. So it is hexadecimal is nothing but it consists of 0 to 15 digits. So the hexadecimal is also called as 8 4 to 1 method because the values comes under hexadecimal are 0 to 15. So 8 4 to 1 means add all these digits. So 8 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 2 is 14, 14 plus 1 is 15. So the values comes under hexadecimal is 0 to 15. So it is also called as 8 4 to 1 method. So before going to the steps of conversion of binary to hexadecimal number, so let us consider a table that is 8 4 to 1. Fine. So how the values are written in 8 4 to 1 method? The values means which comes under hexadecimal number. So those are 0 to 15. So how the values are written in the form of 8 4 to 1 method? So let us see. So 0 should be written in the form of, so 0 should be, value is nothing but 0, so all are zeros, so that is nothing but 4 zeros. So next 1 should be written, so in one place we can write only 1, so all remaining values are 0. So 2 is written as 00 10. So 3 as 2 plus 1 is 3. So in the 2 place 1 should be written and 1 place we can write 1 as it is. So 4 should be written as, so in 4th place we can write 1 and remaining values are 0. So and so on. 5 should be written as 4 plus 1 means, so 5 as 0 1 0 1. 6 as 4 plus 2. Fine. So 7 as 0 triple 1. So 8 should be written as 1 triple 0 because I am writing 8 value, that is 7 is nothing but 0 triple 1. So next value is 8. So at 8th place I am writing 1 and remaining values are 0. So next 9 as 1 001 because 8 plus 1 is 9. So at 8th place I am writing 1 and at first 1 place I am writing 1 and remaining values are 0. So 10 is nothing but A. 10 is nothing but A. So it should be written as 10 10. So means 8 plus 2 is 10. So next 11 as B. So that is 1011. So next 12 as, so 12 as should be written as 8 plus 4 is 12. So 11 00. So 13 written as 8 plus 4 is 12. So at first place I am writing 1. So 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 1 is 13. So 12 is nothing but C, 13 is nothing but D, and 14 as E. So 14 means 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 2 is 14. So that is 111, 0. So next 15 as F. So all values are ones. So in the previous conversion, the octal number system. So it consists of only 3-bit numbers because it is also called as 4 to 1 method. So I am taken only 3 values. Those are 4 to 1. But hexadecimal is also called as 8421 method. So it consists of 4 bits of values because it contains 0 to 15 values. So I am taking 8421 method means 4 group of values. Yes. So next we can continue the conversion of binary number to hexadecimal number. So you already know that hexadecimal is nothing but it is also called as 8421 method. So next step 1, start from rightmost bit. In previous conversion I already told you that the binary should be converted to octal number. The first step is to start from rightmost bit. For integral part I should start from rightmost bit, and for fractional part I should start from leftmost bit. Fine. So let us take an example that is in the form of integral part. It does not contain any fractional part values. So the first step is to start from rightmost bit. So this is my example. Start from rightmost bit, that is 1. This is the rightmost bit. Fine. And take 4 bits as one group because my hexadecimal value consists of 16 values, that is 0 to 15, and it is also called as 8421 method. So it consists of 4 bits of values to create one group. So take 4 bits as one group. So this is my example, that is 10101. So step 3 is, if we are not able to form a group of 4 bits, then add zeros to left side. So in previous conversion already told you that if we cannot able to form a 3 bits of group, means for octal number we can create 4 to 1 method. So 3 bits as one group. So if we cannot form a 3 bits as one group, so we can insert zeros at left side. So same manner in hexadecimal also, if we cannot form a group of 4 bits, then we can insert zeros at left side. Fine. So then step 4 is, then make all the bits to form 4-bit group. So ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಇವಾಗ 4 ಬಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಕ್ವಿವೆಲೆಂಟ್ ಹೆಕ್ಸಾಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ನ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ದೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ rightmost bit. So I am starting from here. So next step is to take 4 bits as one group. So rightmost bit 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is my first group. So here remaining only one value. So next is, if we not able to form a group of 4 bits, insert zeros to left side. So here there is only one value. So insert 3 zeros at left side. So this is one more group. Fine. So next, then make all the bits to form 4-bit groups. So I have created a 4-bit value as one group. So now I want to write an equivalent hexadecimal number. So 0001 means here 8421. So at one place there is the value of 1. So 0001 means 1. So next 0101 means this is 8421. So at 4th place there is 1 and at 1 place there is 1. So 4 plus 1 is 5. So 15 is my answer for 10101 to the base 2, the value is 15 to the base 16 because I am converting binary number to hexadecimal number. Yes, let us take one more example. So the value is 101011.010411 to the base 2. Convert it into hexadecimal number. But here there are two parts. One is integral part and one is fractional part. And we already know that for integral part I should start from rightmost bit and make 4 values as one group. If we cannot able to perform a group of 4 bits, then we can insert zeros at left side. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ರೈಟ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ 4 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಂತ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಏನಾದರೂ ನಮಗೆ 4 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗದೆ ಇದ್ರೆ we can insert zeros. ಸೊ 0 ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಗೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಬಟ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ we can always start from left side. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದಿರೋ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಏನಿದೆಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ರೈಟ್ ಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಫೈನ್. ಸೊ ಏನಾದರೂ if we cannot able to perform a group of 4 bits, ಸೊ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ನಾವು 4 ಬಿಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗದೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ನಾವು ಜೀರೋಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಗೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಜೀರೋಸ್ ನ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ. Fine. So first integral part check ಮಾಡಿ. So start from rightmost bit. So 1 2 3 4, that is 8 4 2 1. Is one group ಆಯ್ತು. So next 1 2 3 4, this is one group. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ extra values ಏನು ಉಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ, so leave it. So integral part of value ಆಯ್ತು ಇವಾಗ. So next fractional part ನೋಡೋಣ. So fractional part ಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ, ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ರೈಟ್ ಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು. So 1 2 3 4. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳಿದಿರೋದು ಎಷ್ಟು, 1 2 3 ಮೂರು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಉಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ. So I can add zeros to right side. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು, zeros ನ right side ಗೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ because this is a fractional part value. So ಇವಾಗ equivalent hexadecimal ಬರೆಯೋಣ. So this is 8 4 2 1. 8 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಅದ, ಮತ್ತೆ 2 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಅದ. So 8 plus 2 is 10. So 10 ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ hexadecimal ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ತರ ಬರೀತೀವಿ, 10 is nothing but 8. So double 1 0 1. So ಅಂದ್ರೆ 8 ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಅದ, 4 ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಅದ and 1 ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಅದ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. 13 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ D point. So next ಈ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. So 0 1 0 1. So ಇದು ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಗೆ 4 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಅದ, ಮತ್ತೆ 1 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಅದ. ಸೊ 4 plus 1 is 5. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ 8 plus 4 plus 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. ಸೊ 1 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಇದೆ. ಸೊ 14 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರೀತೀವಿ, e to the base 16. So this is the conversion of binary number to hexadecimal number. So let us continue with some more examples. So third example, so that is 101111.1010. So here also there are two parts, integral part and fractional part. So integral part start from rightmost bit. So 1 1 1. So this is my one group. So 0 1. So 2 zeros na iwan game ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ because contains only two values. So fractional parting ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ? So 1 0 1 0. So 4 values ಇದೆ, so it can make one group. So ಇವಾಗ hexadecimal equivalent number ನ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. So ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0010 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 place ನಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇದೆ, so it is nothing but 2. So all values are 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 8 4 2 1. So ಅಷ್ಟು values ನಲ್ಲಿ 1 1 ಇದೆ, so it is nothing but 15 ಅಂದ್ರೆ yeah. Point 1010 is nothing but 8 place ನಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ 2 place ನಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇದೆ, so it is nothing but 8 to the base 16. Fine. So next, fourth example. So that is 1011.1010 to the base 2. So it already ಇದೆ 4 values ಇದೆ. Integral part ನಲ್ಲಿ 4 values ಇದೆ, fractional part ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ 4 values ಇದಾವೆ. So direct one ಈ ಕಡೆ integral part ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, fractional part ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So 1011 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 8 plus 2 plus 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 11 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರೀಬಹುದು? B point 1010 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 8 place ನಲ್ಲಿ 1 2 place ನಲ್ಲಿ 1, so 8 plus 2 is 10, so 10 is nothing but 8 to the base 16. So this is the conversion value of hexadecimal, that is B dot A. And the last one, so 0 So let us convert the given binary number to hexadecimal number. So integral part na start from rightmost bit and take 4 bits as 1 bit. So 1 2 3 4. So take this as one group. Here only 3 values are left. So 1 2 3 4. So ಇದೊಂದು group ಆಯ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 values ಇದೆ, so add one more 0 to left side. Fine. So after decimal point, so 00 triple 1, so 1 2 3 4, because fractional part ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, start from leftmost bit. So here only one value is left, so add 3 zeros to right side. So ಇದೊಂದು group ಆಯ್ತು. ಇವಾಗ equivalent hexadecimal number na bana using 8421 method table. So that is 0011 andre 2 place nalli 1 ada, 1 place nalli 1 ada, that is nothing but 3. So next 1110 andre 14, 8 plus 4 plus 2 andre 14. So 14 is written as E point 0011 andre is nothing but 3, because 2 place ನಲ್ಲಿ 1 ada ಮತ್ತೆ 1 place ನಲ್ಲಿ 1 ada, so 2 plus 1 is nothing but 3. So next 1000, so 1 andre, so 1000 means 8 place ನಲ್ಲಿ 1 ada, so all remaining values are 0, so if the value of 1000 is 8 to the base 16 is my answer. So this is the conversion of binary number system to hexadecimal number system. So in the next class, let us continue with the conversion of octal number system to binary number system and octal number system to hexadecimal number system.